Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. It comes with all the amenities you need. Command integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,